and just the overall effect just beefs it up and gives it a bit more space.
Yes, that's really nice. Did you sign this track when you labeled it?
Yeah, this is signed to Respect, which is a famous UK label, Spector's label.
Yeah.
And this sound is this one, and also this one.
You played them.
Believe it or not, were recorded Furbies.
Why
Yeah.
did you record for me?
No, it's like in a plugin. There's someone has already recorded a Furby talking, and I just like sampled a bit of them talking.
Okay.
So it's a Furby talking, and I grabbed a little bit of the Furby.
I have a Furby if you want to give
Yeah.
some more inspiration later.
Yeah. So
We just need to ask permission from Amelie.
yeah. We've got a little clav sort of percussion line here as well. Percussion. And this is a pad that we've got going on, which gives a lot of atmosphere. And then it's just all layers.
Inspiration. Do we need to watch a movie tonight?
Probably need to watch a movie because it's just called New 4. So I've started
Yeah.
4 projects and all
Okay.
of them are just called New 1, New 2, New 3, New 4. But this one's just one that I've been messing around with because obviously I bought that new plugin called Phobos by
Okay.
Spitfire Audio, and just messing around, you know, trying to find some tonal loops. We've got this sort of thing, just like a breakbeat sort of sound.
The American Horror Story song.
Yeah. Little drum beat.
That's definitely my thing.
Yeah. And then, you know, when the full drum beat comes in. So, you know, it's
That's
kind of...
great. I can't leave my arms behind.
Do it this way. So if you put your hands like that, then actually kind of like... I'll have you. There you go.